Let us take an example of hardware generation of control signals. So suppose we have a register file write control signal which is generated or required in the T5 stage for all arithmetic and logic instructions, and for a load instruction, and in case there is a call instruction also. You know that register file write, it means that the result has to be written back into the register file. So if there is an arithmetic logical operation that has taken place, the results would have to be stored in the register file, and it will be done in T5. We are considering a 5-stage organization that we have discussed earlier. If it was a load instruction, that means there was a memory access in stage 4 and the results have been brought, or the data has been brought from the memory, and it has to be stored in some register. In case it was a call instruction, so the return address has to be put in the register file. So in this case, what we can do is we can take AND gates, and if it is any arithmetic or logical instruction, we can give an input over here. So this input is coming from the output of that instruction decoder unit that we have discussed in the previous lecture. Or if it is a load instruction, or if it was a call instruction, so the output of that decoder, the output lines for these particular instructions have been given as an input to these AND gates, plus the output from the step counter whenever the state of the counter is T5 is also sent to these AND gates. The output of these AND gates can be sent to an OR gate. So this RF write signal will be set or will be generated when it is either an arithmetic logical instruction or a load instruction or a call instruction, and the clock state is, the step counter state is 5. Let us take another example. Suppose there was a signal Y which has to be generated always in T1 stage, or in T4 stage when it is a branch instruction, and in T6 stage if it was an add instruction. So again we can have this T6 stage and add. So I have T6 over here and add another AND gate which says T4 and BR. So all these T1, T4 and T6 are coming from the step counter. Add and BR, these instructions are the output of the instruction decoder. We can send it to an OR gate again over here, and this is T1. This is how Y can be generated. So these are just few examples of how hardware generation of control signals takes place.